Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 31st of December 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the Federal District Court refused to grant Dominion Energy an immediate temporary restraining order that would allow work on the coastal Virginia offshore wind farm to get back underway while it hears the case. Dominion says the project is nearly 80% complete when the stop work order was issued. That order is costing the power company $5 million per day, according to the lawsuit. There were 32 vessels and 528 personnel actively engaged in construction on the day that the order was issued. Government-controlled power company Elektroprivreda plans to invest 1.73 billion Bosnian marks over the next 3 years, according to its new business plan. The company has highlighted the construction of new renewable energy power plants as a long-term strategic and priority goal. The construction of several solar power plants at already identified locations are particularly significant. They also plan to acquire operational renewable energy facilities as well as projects in development. The Ministry of Commerce in Turkey has terminated the dumping investigation into the import of wind turbine blades originating from the People's Republic of China. The process was started upon the application of TPI Composites, which represents the domestic production branch. However, after the applicant company did not continue its cooperation during the investigation phase, the Unfair Competition in Imports Evaluation Board took the decision to end the dumping probe. With the decision, no additional obligations will be applied to the import of wind turbine blades from China. Non-conventional renewables covered 50.6% of Chile's power production in November. That is compared to 49.7% the month prior amid an overall drop in generation led by conventional sources. Net installed capacity from non-conventional renewables across Chile rose to more than 18.9 gigawatts in November. That is up 162 megawatts from October. Mexico is poised to exceed 10 gigawatts of installed wind power capacity before the end of the decade. With 7,782 megawatts of wind power capacity in operation by the end of 2024 and 2,180 megawatts projected under a new federal planning scheme. Mexico currently has 74 wind farms distributed in 15 states. There are more than 3,300 wind turbines in operation. In 2024, production exceeded 19 terawatt-hours, equivalent to 5.68% of national generation. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.